first of all, to make a little like a mini animation, you first wanna make a little bit of a storyline. What is the image gonna be like, and how are you gonna make animation? So I have a little story. I have a bird, so I'm gonna do dry point with the 2 plate, 1 mouth open and 1 mouth down, and 1 close the eyes, the other one open the eyes, and then I'm gonna have some surrounding changes. Okay. Do 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 do. Let me go that way.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, here we go.
Okay, but stand back a little. I don't want to kill you. I would press back.
Well, if you do, we'll catch it all on camera.
Oh my god. Okay, stop. Action.
Action.
Okay.
Nice.
Do, 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 do.
Yes.
Do, 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 do.
I got you cranking. You look so good.
Oh, fun.
Wow.
Today I'm gonna make more sequence images for the animation. I have some print that I printed last time, soak in the water. I have 2 images that's not gonna be added anything. And there's a monotype. I have acetate on the bottom, so ink doesn't get on everywhere, and I have another piece of acetate sheets that I'm gonna use as monotype piece. So I'm gonna show you how to add images really fast so you can add more images onto your print. So you have different images for the animation sequence. I have a paper that is all different sizes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a line with the Sharpie. And make a top and bottom. And flip it. And I have the original drawing right here. So I know where my images are going. So some mark it. The size is a little bit different, but like I said, when paper is wet, it expands, and when it's dry, it dries up a little, like it shrinks a little bit. So don't worry too much, and make sure you have a monotype on the side of like this is the side I do the Sharpie, to the other side, like this. And then you get, I'm gonna start adding some blue, maybe some yellow. And this is a modifier that makes your ink kind of runnier. Here. Some blending medium here. And some blue.